Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PokerStars, aka Stars Casino. So there's two ways to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it on the app in addition to on PC. So the first way you could do it on the app is at the top right. You can see your account balance. If you click on that, it'll bring you over to the cashier, and at the top you see there's multiple tabs: deposit, withdrawal, play money, balances. We're going to click on withdrawal. Okay, from here, this just tells you if you're eligible for any bonuses or anything. However, if you just want to continue, just check that box and click on withdrawal. Okay, from here, it's going to show you your account balance. Now you're going to type in the amount you want to withdraw here. Let's just say I want to withdraw $10 and click on done. And at the top right there, you see that green arrow. So we're going to click on that green arrow. And at this point, it's going to withdraw to whatever your default payment was. Like I deposited money via bank transfer, so it's going to go straight back into my bank account. So again, top right green arrow, click there, and it's just confirming, okay, withdrawal has been requested, and it's going to be into your bank account once it's done processing. Okay, so that is one way that you could withdraw money on the app. Another way, if you go down to the bottom right under account, so click on account, and from here you have the option to withdraw, so click on withdrawal. And again, it's just the same steps. Type in the amount that you want to withdraw, top right, click on that green arrow, and then that's how you withdraw money. So onto the PC. So right here we're on the PC. So I've logged on. At the top right, you have the option to go to the cashier. So click on that, and then this pop-out will open. And again, you have multiple tabs: deposit, withdrawal, play money, and more. So we're gonna go under the withdrawal tab and same steps as before. Once again, here's your account balance. We're gonna type in the amount that we want to withdraw. Let's just say withdraw $10, which I believe is the minimum balance that you could type in order to withdraw. So anything over 10. So now I'm going to click on this green withdrawal button, and there we go. Once again, go into your default payment method, and right here click on this green arrow. From there, it just gives you a confirmation once again that your withdrawal is going to be processed and you are good to go. So yeah, if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.